Hey there! Welcome back to EmpMonitor How-to Tutorial series. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add employees using EmpMonitor. EmpMonitor is a powerful cloud-based employee management software that helps to track and increase their productivity and maintain a safe work environment. Log in to the EmpMonitor account using the basic information. Here's the main dashboard. Click on the Employees tab, available in the left sidebar menu. Here you will find an option, Employee Details. It is the Employees section dashboard. You can have a quick look at the employees along with their details. Let's add the employees. Click on Register Employees. A pop-up window will open where you can edit the employees' profile details such as their personal information, official details, location, department, time zone, etc. Once done filling in the employee information, click on the Register Employee option available at the bottom right side corner. Employees can also be added in bulk using the Bulk Register option. Click on the Bulk Upload button to upload an XLSX file containing employee information. If you want, you can click the Download Sample XLSX file button to download a sample file that shows you how the file containing a list of employees should be formatted for importing into EmpMonitor. Again, click on the Browse option, locate the bulk upload file, and click on the Upload button. You can view the list of employees added to the dashboard. Search for a particular employee using the search option. You can filter employees based on email ID, location, department, role, EMP code, computer name, etc. Export report to have a detailed overview of the employees in the Excel sheet. So, this was a quick overview of how to add employees to the dashboard. If you need any help or face issues while managing the attendance of the employees, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over Skype.